Mushrooms are renowned for their variety of sizes and types, a flavor as sweet as honey, and a smooth texture reminiscent of lotus root, all without a hint of bitterness. This poetic verse is derived from the Song Dynasty poem Mushrooms by Yang Wan Li, painting a picture of mushrooms the size of goose palms that surprise with their deliciousness, richness, and a silkiness that rivals lotus root, all without a hint of bitterness. In 2022, China's total fresh mushroom exports reached an impressive 50,000 tons. To ensure consumers worldwide can enjoy these high-quality ingredients promptly, attention to detail when transporting fresh mushrooms is crucial. Fresh mushrooms require precise temperature and humidity control during cultivation and production. To maintain their freshness, the surrounding temperature must be kept between 1 to 3 degrees Celsius during transportation. Excessive temperature can lead to reduced freshness and aging of the fresh mushrooms, while overly cold temperatures can result in waterlogging decay. The strict temperature requirements pose a significant technical challenge for fresh mushroom transporters. In today's competitive trade market, carriers who are equipped with advanced digital technology are the preferred choice of fresh mushroom exporters. In the past, carriers had to manually handle pre-trip inspections, or PTI, of empty refrigerated containers, conduct routine operational checks, perform maintenance, and repair any damage to the reefer or its components. This manual process was time-consuming and labor-intensive. Additionally, the unpredictable condition of empty containers resulted in high time and cost overheads for manual reefer inspections. Today, carriers can streamline the entire process with the IBOX Reefer intelligence solution. IBOX Reefer achieves this by installing monitoring devices on refrigerated containers and connecting to an intelligent platform driven by artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning technology. It provides carriers with information on timing, storage conditions, and unforeseen situations. This technology simplifies reefer inspections with ease. Thanks to the platform's regular monitoring of operational data from refrigerated containers, carriers can directly access the status of all reefer containers, accurately pinpoint containers and equipment issues that require maintenance, efficiently make repairs, and arrange for the pickup of empty containers in preparation for upcoming fresh mushroom shipments. During the transportation of fresh mushrooms, the traditional inspection methods, relying on crew members manually checking containers and generating reports, are replaced by IBOX Reefer's comprehensive reefer container status monitoring. Carriers can monitor key information such as container temperature, oxygen levels, carbon dioxide levels, and power status in real time. If container parameters exceed threshold values, the platform sends AI-filtered alerts to carriers, enabling prompt communication with relevant personnel to address issues efficiently. IBOX Reefer provides carriers with the peace of mind that comes from the remote control of refrigerated containers, reducing the management pressure caused by low visibility in cargo transportation and allowing them to focus on monitoring overall supply chain operations. With the development of modern logistics, shippers also demand high visibility. IBOX Reefer breaks down barriers between carriers and shippers, making refrigerated container information transparent and accessible to all parties in the supply chain. Comprehensive information sharing effectively enhances carrier customer satisfaction and loyalty. The improvement in carrier transportation service quality will satisfy global consumers' demand for importing various high-quality Chinese fresh mushroom products. As satisfied diners indulge, Chinese fresh mushrooms will continue to gain worldwide recognition for their exquisite flavor.